Okay, this is a quick video explaining how to remove your igniter on your choice model grill. Normally there will be a grate here that I've just removed by removing these two bolts, which allows me to drop the grate out of the way. Some have a grate that you can slide across, others have them fixed by a couple of bolts. Next, underneath the hopper, you'll see the igniter coming from its tube. So that's the tubing here, and this is your igniter wire. So if you follow that through, you'll find it connected with two bullet point connectors. So they can just be simply undone with a little twist, and that's basically disconnecting your igniter wire. Now, this igniter wire may be cable tied to here or somewhere else, or twist tied, so just make sure that this is free before you attempt to remove it from inside the chamber. And now we'll go up into where the igniter sits. So I've removed the grease tray and heat shield, and you can see the igniter sitting there. So sometimes the igniter may be fastened with a pin located here, or a screw, which just needs to be removed. If you remove that, you don't need to put it back in again. It's actually just for transporting. But once that's been removed, or this one doesn't have one at all, you can simply start to pull the igniter up and out from the firebox, and the lead will follow. So it's as simple as just removing this lead, like so, and then literally feeding through the same lead with the replacement. Basically just getting into that lead, into this hole again, into the chamber, and feeding it back through again. So it's a bit hard with one hand, so I'll just put the phone down for a second until I can get it in. No, it's okay, I've got it here. So there we go, just feed it through. Your replacement igniter, like so. And then by this point, you should be able to feel it coming through underneath. So normally I'd come down underneath and have a look where I can see it here. Just start to pull some of the slack out, and then back up into here, and we can see the igniter's back into position. And I'd normally just push this across until it's back like so, and then back down underneath. Getting these connections from here and simply reconnecting them to these 2 points. I can't do that with one hand, but once these are reconnected again, you can then fasten up the cables. If you wanted to, you can hang, tie them up here, or otherwise just make sure that they're hanging up out of the way and not going to get interfered with the fan or anything over here. So make sure those wires are out of the way of this fan, and then install the grate again, and you're back up and running.